Okay, so we're going to start with the equation. When I start with my equation, I'm first going to identify my variables. So I want to identify what I've got going on in this problem. And really the story is really about my dog Moon and her bones she's burying in the yard. And really Y is the variable that I'm telling the story about. So I'm going to start here, and that Y represents number of bones buried in the yard. And then for my X, X is really kind of changing it on its own. It is the independent variable, and this one is, in this case, it's weeks that have gone by. Okay, and for my slope is how it's changing, and she is bearing 2 bones every week. So I could write here 2 bones every week. I could also write it another way. If I was going to write 2 bones per week, I could write it like that, with that little division symbol, that really this is a rate and that I'm dividing. And if I wanted, I could even 2 bones per 1 week if I wanted units, that's really what's going on. My y-intercept, where this starts, this is really 0, 3. And in context, what this means is at week 0, 3 bones are buried. And finally, my equation, and I start out, I kind of mentioned before, this is my story of Y, the story of the bones, and the story of bones the number of bones can be given by that really every week. So 2 bones every week, that's 2x, and then adding 3 for that initial value. And that's it for my equation.